Treat yourself and your loved ones to multigrain French toast with a hint of dark chocolate, a heap of berries, and a drizzle of raspberry sauce for only 298 calories. In a small saucepan over medium heat, simmer 1 cup of your fresh or frozen raspberries with 2 tablespoons water. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Spoon your berries into a wire mesh strainer. Press and stir to release the pulp and juice. Pour your remaining raspberry pulp into a small mixing bowl, crack and add 2 extra large eggs. 2 tablespoons of silk almond dark chocolate. Whisk together and pour into a shallow rim dish. Dip your multigrain rye bread into the egg mixture and turn to coat the other side. And repeat with your other slice of multigrain bread. Over low heat, melt your butter. Arrange your slices of egg-coated multigrain into your skillet. When your multigrain is crispy golden, turn and cook on the other side and continue until crispy and golden on both sides to make your French toast. Center a heart-shaped cookie cutter over your prepared French toast and press. And now you're ready to serve. Drizzle a little raspberry sauce from your saucepan over a plate. Center your French toast over top. Run a knife around the heart-shaped cutout to ensure it will pop out without ragged edges. Lift out your heart piece and arrange it to one side. Fill your cutout space with a pile of fresh raspberries and blueberries. Drizzle a little more raspberry sauce over top. With a fine wire mesh strainer and a half teaspoon of powdered sugar, shake a little powdered sugar over everything. And here is your serving of under 300 calories. Berry chocolate French toast with raspberry drizzle. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.